Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I discuss most famous indicator relative strength index, RSI indicator. So friends, start the season. I already set the indicator. Friends, RSI indicator is very simple and easy to work in the market every time. So this indicator is based on overbought and oversold. Easy for you, it means it's work based in market support and resistance. RSI shows when a market is overbought, price too high, or oversold, price too low. Sometimes RSI signal come a bit late. To make it more reliable, we use it along with support and resistance level. When the price is near a strong support level and RSI is oversold around 30, it can be a strong buy signal. When the price is near a strong resistance level and RSI is overbought around 70, it can be a strong sell signal. So basically, RSI alone is just a warning, but when combined with support and resistance, it gives more accurate entry and exit points.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.